Here are some quick facts about my semi-truck. It's a 2023 Peterbilt 579. The entire hood flips forward. It's powered by a 6-cylinder, 15-liter Cummins diesel engine. It has two 100-gallon fuel tanks. The engine holds 12 gallons of oil. The radiator holds 15 gallons of coolant. This engine's making 550 horsepower and 2,000 pound-feet of torque. The sleeper has bunk beds, and from floor to ceiling is 8 feet. It has a television, microwave, and a refrigerator. Lots of storage. And it has a ladder for getting up to the top bunk. From the grill guard on the front to the mud flaps on the back, it's 31 feet long, 13 feet tall, and from mirror to mirror, it's 10.5 feet wide. It weighs 20,000 pounds, has a top speed of 100 miles an hour. It takes 10 tires, each costing about $500. It has an empty range of about 2,000 miles. That's the quick facts about the truck. What else would you like to know? Leave a comment below.